What's up guys, on today's episode of Detailing with Joe, we are working on a Mazda Miata that has been sitting for a few years. The owner of the Miata is interested in selling the car, so today I'll be giving it a wash, a decontamination, followed by Meguiar's M21 sealant. I'll also be steam cleaning the interior as well. First, I like to start with the wheels. Using some Meguiar's wheel cleaner with some purple power for the tires, I'll do each wheel individually. After all 4 wheels have been washed, then I'll start with a very thorough wash, getting to all the nooks and crannies. This is a very crucial step that a lot of people tend to overstep. After I rinse down the car, I'll foam it down, but I don't touch it, and most people would say this step is a waste, but it is something I've always done to super dirty cars, and it makes me feel better when it comes time to actually touch the vehicle. So after it's been washed, I'm going to start with the clay bar. Now I start from the top, working my way all the way down to the bottom, and in this case I'm going to be using my soap as a lubricant. Now the next step is to do the engine bay detail. In most cases, I'll steam clean the engine bay, but in this case there was a lot of dirt and spider webs. So after covering up anything electrical, I pressure washed, then I used compressed air or a leaf blower to blow out any leftover water. Now last but probably the most important one is the interior. After wiping down everything with a damp microfiber cloth, I came back with my steam cleaner to get a real deep clean, as this car has been sitting for a few years. And that's pretty much what a basic detail looks like here in my garage. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't seen my Prelude build series, you should check it out. I have a lot of awesome things planned for this build.